What is strawberry? The low-growing plant strawberry, having white flowers, lobed leaves, and runners, and found throughout north temperate regions. A sweet soft red at its surface. What are benefits of eating strawberries? Packed with vitamins, particularly high levels of antioxidants known as polyphenols, strawberries are a sodium-free, fat-free, cholesterol-free, low-calorie food. They are among the top 20 fruits in antioxidant capacity and are a good source of manganese and potassium. Why are strawberries bad for you? While strawberries are a diet, people looking to eat them should do so in moderation. Fruits typically are high in sugar despite their nutritional benefits, and strawberries contain 8.12 milligrams of sugars per cup. There is also a risk that strawberries may contain pesticide residue. Strawberries are great for add a punch of flavor to salads, dress up breakfast pancakes or crepes, or even cereal, Nestle into muffins, and can even be turned into an interesting twist on hummus, or added to a fruity salsa. It is recommended that eating of 8 strawberries a day. Clinical research has determined that this recommendation can have some hefty benefits, including potentially improved heart and brain health, reduced risk of some cancers, and better management of type 2 diabetes.